Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create custom reports in Gusto. Do you need a report that's a little more tailored to your business? Gusto's custom reporting feature lets you pull exactly the data that you want, whether it's for audits, internal reviews, or just staying organized. Here's how to build a custom report step by step. First step, go to the report section. Now, after logging into your Gusto account, you want to head to the sidebar and click on reports. This is your central hub for all your payroll, taxes, and HR related data. Step 2, click on custom reports. Scroll down till you see the custom reports and click on that. This opens up a builder tool where you can create a report from scratch or use a pre-made template. Step 3, choose your report type. Now just select the type of data that you want to include, like payroll details, employee information, benefits deduction, or time tracking. You can mix and match different data categories depending on your needs. Step 4, add columns. Now you just want to pick the exact data columns that you want in reports. For example, if you're building a payroll report, you might include employee names, gross pay, net pay, pay period dates, and departments. Step 5, apply filter. Now narrow down your results by setting filters. You can filter by department, employment type, date range, or individual employees. Now this helps you to get a precise look at the data that matters the most. Step 6, save and name the report. Now once you're happy with your layout and filter, give your report a clean name and hit save. This makes it easy to come back and run it again later. Step 7, run and export. Now click run reports to generate the data. You also choose to export it as a CSV or PDF if you need to send it to someone or dig deeper into the numbers later on. And there you have it, your very own custom report in Gusto, flexible, fast, and fully tailored to your workflow. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.